Man, I should really start recording more footage. Now I have no backstory to tell. I'm in Jim Corbett today, and this is our resort. You can see the usual Sarthak lurking around there. And we are here to celebrate a farewell party to a really dear friend of mine, Suvneet Singh. He's going to America to pursue further studies. I don't know what he's going to do there, but I'm in Corbett and I'm gonna... He's making coffee for me and I'm really excited for this trip. It is just for this weekend and the resort is quite nice. The pool is, however, a little dirty, so we're not going to go inside, but we will stay here for today. And this is costing us 3,000 rupees for a room. That's good. That's good according to this season, and it's good according to the place we are in. So we're going to go river rafting just in an hour. So let's see. I almost forgot. Let me just quickly show you the room. There's the bride-to-be. Not the bride-to-be. But yeah, he is in some way a bride because he is gonna leave his home and I'm his parent. Yeah, so he's gonna leave my home now. He doesn't stay with me. He does not. The guy is late, so we're gonna go and grab a quick snack before we go for the rafting. Our chariot has arrived and we are just waiting for Laksh and Sarthak to finish up their lunch. And let's do this thing. Let's do this thing. We have finally reached. It was a really difficult road, but the guys made it. That's our raft. We're gonna take that down in this river and things are gonna get crazy. Getting up, getting up, getting up. Ah, it's very tight. Look at me. I have huge boobs now. We are all ready to go. Yeah. We can't take our phones obviously, so I'm gonna take this GoPro and hopefully I won't lose it.
वैसे ऐसे ऐसे अबे हटो ना आ जाओ
We got it. भैया बहुत ही अच्छी वीडियो था. Left. Go. We have to pump more air because we are losing more than we are pumping. Oh my.
भैया इधर को भी चलना ना भैया stop forward भाई stop
अभी ठीक है।
रस्सी पकड़ लो रस्सी पकड़ के रहना भाई भाई रस्सी पकड़ लो भाई रस्सी पकड़ लो कौन है ये कौन अरे रस्सी पकड़ लो भाई रस्सी पकड़ लो
ऊपर कैसे आओ लेकिन?
अबे मैं उठाना पड़े रुक अरे इधर अरे इधर तो आओ इधर अरे इधर आओ भाई इधर आओ ये कितना
रुक जाओ
ये कितना सोल्ड बस पकड़
हाँ खींचो।
उठ गया भाई मैं नीचे टिका नहीं पा रहा मैं तो आ रहा भाई ऐसे छोड़ो It finally is.
Yeah.
We are here and we are alive.
I went inside the water. We are heading out for dinner and we'll call it a night after that. We don't know where to go, so we'll Google first and pick up our car and then go. Let's see what we find.